Oh shit! Are you doing that?
I guess we have to.
Oh, that was wild.
Here's a live update of what's going on around here.
Yeah, we had 28-degree blowout on the upper quarter.
Will, what do you think about this Badlands rental?
Oh, it's a good rental. Just picked it up this morning, blew the tire out of it, fucking sealed her back up. We're back on the road. Trails on the Blue Trail right now.
What do you think about the leaf?
Shit.
Yeah, that was your diff on a rock. But
it's off underneath this thing. Dude. I get comments all the time on your X-Star. Dude, someone messaged me from Australia asking what kind of engine build I had.
I told you're not a fan of the leaf spring setup, I assume, then, are you?
I've got to go up to a coil over here shortly for the Baja 1000 and then XCRC racing.
I got a couple big questions for you. You got any big plans for this thing in the next upcoming year?
Oh yeah, we're gonna keep on getting her tight. You know, we saw a guy, he had some tires. We went and asked him about him.
Like four different times, right?
We asked him 4 different times.
Because we forgot the first 3 times, so we gotta ask.
We've really just been bugging him all day. We're gonna hit this hill.
Oh! I was gonna throw him the fuck out!
fast.
So, a little update on earlier. We were out there in, I think it was Blue Trail, and we blew an old tire on the old Big Red here.
Yeah, we're getting blue jobs.
And, yeah, from Cindy.
Blue jobs from Cindy.
Yeah, from Cindy. But we used a little lubricants and a little bit of redneck engineering to get the old tires seated back on the bead, and a ripper now. I think do you think she drives better now?
Oh, it's better, fresher air.
I think the bead was a little loose in the beginning, so
Yeah, the bead was loose from the beginning.
Yeah. So yeah, so long story short, Will gave his tire a little slap and tickle, and we're back on the road. See the road? Damn, you just got the camera lens a little filthy there. He's coming down this. Yeah, I can't believe I started crying when you blew the tire off, you know?
It scares me a little bit.
That's a pretty big drop.
It is, and it's sight, like it gets. Yeah. Not today, bud. I love the enthusiasm.
I was thinking about calling my father to come fucking put the bead back on here.
Dad, can you come get me?
Yeah, Dad, can you? We're here at the Badlands. Double clutching. Hold on, Will. Yeah, I was gonna go over to Tom's last night and bring some beer, but my sister's cousin's brother's mom-in-law drank it all, so that left me stranded on the old alcohol run. So I came there empty-handed. Hold on. Hold on.
Just the bumper, hell yeah.
Just run into Jake.
Hey, we need an update.
Chicken.
What do you think about that last trail we just hit, Jake?
It's good, it's good.
How's the Jeep running?
Didn't blow any beads off the tires.
Do you got any big plans for this Jeep?
Wash it.
Wash it. You better call that pressure wash company.
Great Lakes.
Coming at you live.